Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have one dryer machine. It is brand wise Indesit brand. This is condensation system. This machine having problem actually. Now see, I will show you the problem. The machine is running now. We can check inside. Here this is wet cloth. It's not getting heat. When I'm starting the machine is running well, but problem is not getting heat. You can see the indicator here. This indicator is empty water. Now this machine having error message. Because of this error message, machine not getting heat, and we have to check what is the problem exactly. This is having actually empty water. We have to release the empty water, but it is not the container is empty, no water inside. Now we have to check what is the problem. We will go to the next step. Now I select already here. Now I am selecting the 160 degrees Celsius and machine start. Machine is running, showing empty water. When I am checking the water container, it is no water inside. See, nothing, but still showing empty water. That's mean after filling water to the container and after filling water, we have to throw out away all the water from the container. After that, refixing, this will disappear. This empty water indicator will disappear. But now problem is water not coming to the drawer container. Now we have to check what is the problem exactly. We have to check which is water coming, the pipeline backside and drain motor. Everything we have to check. We will check what is the exact problem with this machine, and we have to repair anyway. The back cover, the top cover, and 2 screws. I removed already. Now we have to. I remove the cover. Now you can see the sump here. Here is still water. One micro switch. This is like a floating switch. This is a floating switch. While water coming here, and this it's on off because of the now already on because of that showing empty water. Now you can see this drain motor before somebody else repair this one. This is already burned this one. See, you can see this one. See, it is corroded and already burned, and we have to replace and check this drain motor. After that, empty water will go, indicator will go. We have to change the drain pump. Here you can see the drain pump, it's already gone. See, it is already burned. Now we have to replace. You can see the drain pump. We have to replace the motor, and we will check. Now I remove all the water from the sump. Now you know this is the floating valve, floating switch. While water coming to here, this one going up, and through the micro switch is power cut-offing. At that time showing red color indicator water empty. Now in this situation, we can run the machine. It will get sure it will get dry. Heater should work. Now we will, for a testing, we will start the machine and we will check. 160 degrees Celsius, and this one I am not keeping this one. Now I am selecting. I am starting. The machine is start. Now it's not showing empty water indicator here, red color. This is the problem, because the water not draining, pump already got damaged. Because of that we have to replace the water pump. Now I open the door and see it's getting hot, no issue. Now we have to replace the drain motor. After that our problem will get solved. This is the old machine, old pump. This one anyway we will check the continuity. It's not showing continuity, that means it's gone already. Here you can see it is already pump gone. Now what I'm going to do, I'm having another pump. It is for the dry machine or dishwasher, everything we can use. This is the common drain pump. This look like as same, and this one also no issue. This one 230 240 power, 50 hertz, no problem. We can use this one, and we will check the continuity, and it's showing continuity. Also we will give the direct power to the pump. If it is working or not, we can check. And you can see the pump is working, and we can replace this pump. After that our problem will get solved, and we will replace the pump now. This one we have to keep any position here, and we will keep like this. And also this is drain, remaining water come from the up, the remaining water, extra water coming to the sump. This one don't forget, this is the drain pump, water going to up to the water container. Now I'm going to fix here, this one don't forget, and we can fix this one here. Fix this one. And also with for a safety I will fix clamp also here, and we will keep this position, no issue. And also this one, this way we can keep, no issue. And also 230 power. Now I already installed the drain pump. Now we will check the pump is working or not. After that we can cover everything, and we can fix permanently. And what I'm going to do, I will put some water here, and we will check pump working or not. And I will add some water here. And we will check pump working or not. And now for the checking, I will remove the water container from the machine, and we can easy to check pump working or not. Now I will start the machine again. Now you can see water coming here. See water coming. Now I will fix the drawer again. All the water will come to the container. Now it's not showing again error message. Now no any more water. Now all the water came here. all the water you can see here. Now our job already complete. We have to refix the top cover and install all the things permanently, and we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thanks for watching again.